Join me as I dive into the crazy world of UAV stocks and try to figure out what's really happening right now. The UAV stock market has been on a wild ride lately, with many investors and enthusiasts keeping a close eye on the developments in this space. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are increasingly being used in various industries, from agriculture to logistics, and even in the military. This growing demand has led to a surge in interest in UAV stocks, with many companies emerging as key players in this market. One of the biggest challenges facing UAV stocks is market volatility. The value of these stocks can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult for investors to predict their future performance. Regulatory issues are another major concern, as governments around the world grapple with how to manage the use of UAVs. Will they be used for recreational purposes, or will they be restricted to commercial use only? These are just some of the questions that investors are trying to answer. Technological advancements are also having a significant impact on UAV stocks. With rapid improvements in drone technology, companies are having to adapt quickly to stay ahead of the competition. This has led to a lot of uncertainty in the market, as investors try to determine which companies will emerge as leaders in this space. Adding to the uncertainty is the fact that many UAV companies are still in the experimental phase, and it may be some time before they turn a profit. The UAV industry is also seeing